this video, we'll talk about the term tee and its origin. The modern golf term tee is a small peg or wooden plastic sometimes and is used to elevate the ball for the first stroke of the hole on the tee box typically. It is only the first shot on the tee shots. It helps to create a clean strike and it is used on the fairway. No, absolutely not. And anywhere else you cannot use a tee. But on the tee box, where you put a tee in, that's where it belongs. Now, before the tee existed, we're going to talk about its history. Most early golf history, there was no tees at all. In early Scotland, in 1600 to 1800, golfers would use a small mound of sand. Sand was helped as a wooden tee box and helped tee off the ground and shape the ball in positions that the golfer didn't have at the time. Now, players soon then created their own cone type tees. Eventually, we saw in the late 1800s to early 1900s the spread of golf equipment around a tee. It was more consistent, cleaner strikes, and it was less messy than sand. But early tee experiments eventually adopted the wooden pegs that we see today, especially in the United States. It helped protect the turf, improve the ball striking, and most importantly, with sand tees disappearing over time. Why tee kept its name? Well, even though the sand vanished, the tee remained, and the location tee box kind of still played a factor of that decision. You tee from the tee box using a tee on the teeing ground. It was golf logic and tradition. The rules typically around a tee is a tee cannot be longer than 4 inches and must be designed in dedication of play. The ball may be teed within the teeing area, tee box area. If you break a tee during your swing, there's no penalty, and you're allowed to tee on the ball directly behind the ball if needed. Why tee matters? Well, it's kind of the perfect lie, and there's no penalty for improving your position on the tee box. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding what the heck is a tee. And if you don't by now, well, you definitely have a long way to go before playing some good golf. But stick around here with the Parfessor, an independent golf channel. We'll get you one step closer with these educational videos, typically 3 minutes long, bringing you one step closer to golf in your area here with the Parfessor. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. That's it for this video.